birds ate up the breadcrumb, so they remained lost. Hungry and tired, they walked deeper into the forest. Finally, they came upon an amazing sight. A house made of gingerbread, candy, and chocolate. They ran toward the house and began gobbling up the candy. Suddenly, a wicked witch came out of the house and grabbed Hansel and Gretel. "You children, I built this house as a trap, and now you're alone." Hansel and Gretel were very sad. They didn't know what to do. Then, one day the witch began to heat up a fire in a great big oven. Gretel saw her chance, and she pushed that mean witch into the oven. Gretel unlocked Hansel's cage, and together they escaped into the forest. And they lived happily ever after. What did you think of that story? Should Hansel and Gretel have stayed away from the house made of candy? "We need to sell the cow," she said. "Jack, take the cow to the market and get a good price." Jack took the cow and headed to town. On his way, he met a stranger. The stranger said, "Don't sell your cow. Give it to me, and I'll give you some magic beans in return." Jack took the magic beans in exchange for the cow. When Jack's mother saw what Jack had done, she was very upset. She yelled, "Magic beans? I'll show you!" And she threw the beans out the window. She sent Jack to his room